So here is the 54-inch Emerson Cornerstone CF-1 in the 2-blade configuration. Go ahead and start it up on low. If you want to see the more in-depth look fan video of this fan, please refer to the 4-blade configuration video. This has a 20-degree blade pitch with the 2-blade brackets. The fan comes with 2 sets of brackets. It comes with these 2, which are 20 degrees, and then it comes with the 4-blade brackets, which are 14 degrees. Low speed's quite aesthetic, as you can see. Turn it up to medium. It is quite bizarre looking, but it is cool, very unique. And it moves some air. It doesn't perform as well as it does with the 4 blades, but you know, it still looks cool and performs somewhat. And we'll bring it up to high. And we'll let her coast. Spin down is probably going to be a lot shorter with that steeper blade pitch. Very cool fan, very happy to have it. Alrighty, and for grins, we'll do a 0 to high here. Gets up to speed just fine. Alrighty, well, that about does it for this video. Just wanted to get a clip of the fan running with 2 blades so you can see both configurations. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.